Hello students, in this lecture we will see a role and scope of IoT. So as you can see in the diagram, the various devices used in the IoT paradigm are the connected machines, the devices or products having barcodes, then sensors, RFID, smartphone, actuators, drones, GPS system, wearables, smart meters, etc. And the base stations or the readers which can read the value or track the value from these devices are LLRP, Modbus, Zigbee, BACnet, ZPL, SNMP, etc. The connection can be made using Wi-Fi, LAN, WAN, satellite communication or cellular communication. Then in the data ingest and transformation layer, the protocol adapter will be there which will communicate with these physical devices with the actual database. In the data processing layer, there will be complex event processor and data management will be done. So it will be having the big data storage and using machine learning technologies, deep learning technologies and analytics. The classes of applications for IoT will be resource efficiency, tracking and tracing, site and employee safety, remote monitoring, remote visualization, e-traceability, process visibility and automation, predictive analytics, risk, fraud and warranty analytics. And the domains involved in this are smart grid, manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, buildings, healthcare, retail, residences, oil, mining, pharma, etc. So some of these we will see in detail. Some of the applications of IoT are wearable. Wearable stands out and has huge potential to grow and nurture as smart wearables are in demand and growing day by day. Number of well-established companies and startups are working to take profit of this growing segment in IoT. Healthcare. Increased demand in smart healthcare products has give boot to smart healthcare product market. Number of companies have launched products in market and are working to bring better solution over the time. Smart wheelchair, medicine alarm, health monitoring, etc. are the leading products. Agriculture. Smart farming is replacing the traditional farming to minimize the losses and increasing productivity. Animal movement tracking, soil humidity checker, animal tracking devices are very few of the applications being used in the agriculture. Smart cities. Indian government smart city project has given boot to smart home and smart home industry in India. From sensor manufacturer to traffic controller, everyone is ready to take profit of this growing IoT segment in India. Automobile industry. Connected cars, driverless cars is the next big market which is going to change the future of automobile industry. Companies like Google have started working on this project and have launched successfully tested in live environment. It is challenging in India, but cities like Dhulera, it will experience automatic cars in India. Smart grid. Smart metering is the next big IoT segment where electricity and water supply, everything will be controlled through sensors and internet. Industrial internet. We want to replace humans with robots. To do so, we need a robust and centralized system in our factories to automate our assembly lines. More than hundreds of companies working to provide industrial automation solution. Future scope of IoT. IoT has emerged as a leading technology around the world. It has gained a lot of popularity in lesser time. Also, the advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning have made the automation of IoT devices easy. Basically, artificial intelligence and machine learning programs are combined with IoT devices to give them proper automation. Due to this, IoT has also expanded its area of application in various sectors. In this section, we will discuss the applications and future scope of IoT in healthcare, automotive industry and agriculture industry. Healthcare. IoT has proved to be one of the best tools for the healthcare industry. It helps provide advanced healthcare facilities to patients, doctors and researchers. These facilities include smart diagnosis, wearable devices for tracking health, patient management and many more. Furthermore, IoT devices have reduced unnecessary strain on the healthcare system. The healthcare devices can directly send the patient's data to doctors over a safe network. This allows the doctors to diagnose the patients from remote locations. Reasons for IoT being beneficial in healthcare industry are error reduction in treatments. With the help of IoT devices, there is a decrease in manual errors in diagnosing patients. Thus, patients can get proper treatment on time. Also, the 24 by 7 diagnosis through gadgets gives a more clear idea about patient's health when compared to manual diagnosis. Second is decrease in the cost of treatments. Manual diagnosis requires time and use of various types of costly equipment along with other hospital charges. Due to this, the overall cost of treatment increases. We can reduce these costs by using IoT gadgets. Also, the hospital charges and congestion in hospitals can also be reduced as patients can be diagnosed from their respective locations. Next is availability of specialists in the remote locations. IoT solves one of the major problems of the healthcare industry, that is availability of doctors, especially the specialists in the remote locations. With the help of IoT devices, the treatment of patients in the physical absence of doctors has become possible. The patients just need to wear the device, then the device will send all the real-time data of patient's health to the respective doctors for analyzing the condition. In this way, the scope of Internet of Things is helping the healthcare sector to give proper treatment to the needy people. Next is agriculture. One of the three basic human needs is food. To fulfill the need of food, we do the farming. However, now as the population of the world is increasing, the agriculture industry is facing many challenges. Also, changes in weather conditions and climate hugely impact on the agriculture industry. To meet the rising demand of the food, the industry has hence adopted technology to increase the productivity. It includes the use of precision farming, agriculture drones, and smart farming applications. All these are built on the top of the application of the IoT. Now let us discuss how precision farming, smart farming applications and agricultural drones help in increasing the productivity of the land. First is precision farming. In agriculture, information and communication technology is a tool used for smart farming. With the help of IoT-based devices, crop fields are observed. The technology uses sensors to calculate the moisture of the soil, humidity and temperature. Also, it uses an automated irrigation system to make efficient use of water. Precision farming helps farmers monitor their fields and boost the productivity. Agricultural drones. Drones used for agriculture and farming are one of the best applications of IoT. They are used to enhance agricultural processes. We use agricultural drones for planting crops, irrigating fields, spraying of the pesticides and monitoring the fields. With the help of the drones, it becomes easier to evaluate the health of the crops. This is all possible with the help of smart IoT based devices that are used to make agricultural drones. Then smart greenhouses. Farmers use greenhouse farming to enhance the productivity of crops. In greenhouse farming, the environmental factors that affect the growth of the crops are controlled by manual intervention. However, manually controlling the mechanism for the growth of the crops is less productive. The emergence of IoT and technological advancement has led to the creation of IoT based greenhouses that consist of various devices such as sensors, climate controllers, etc. These IoT devices help in measuring the various environmental conditions according to the requirements of the plants. As all sensors and devices connect over the internet servers, they provide accurate information on the environmental conditions. Then the devices activate the actuators to control heaters, fans, windows and lighting of greenhouses to set according to the environment. Next example is automotive industry. In 21st century, the application of IoT is revolutionizing the automotive industry. One of the major applications is creation of self-driving cars that has changed the trends of the automotive industry. Engineers have created self-driving cars to reduce manual errors and ensure the safe drive. Various companies around the world are creating self-driving vehicles including Google, Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Audi and many more. These self-driving cars use various technologies such as data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning and IoT. IoT devices are programmed in such a way that they assist in creating an automated system for self-driving cars. These IoT devices consist of HD cameras, thermal sensors, smart navigators, speed controller, range sensors, wireless connectivity and proximity sensors. While using these cars, you need to enter your location and the destination. Then the navigator helps locate the destination and tries to find the shortest path. After that, the IoT based HD cameras help in getting the visuals of the surrounding and send the data to the artificial intelligence based systems. These systems analyze and visualize the data of the surrounding and accordingly fix the response of the self-driving cars. Also, there are IoT based speed controllers that help regulate the speed of these cars according to the traffic and congestion. This is how the scope of the IoT is changing the trends in the automotive industry. So, here is the graph of IoT connected devices installed base worldwide from 2015 and how they grow up to 2025. The figures are in billions and it is taken from the source Statista. So in this way, the future demand of IoT will grow day by day in almost every application in the world.